Hey guys, it's 12/17, December 17th, and look what we woke up to here in upstate New York. Look at that. Holy crap. That's my truck. And Andy's car. Under about 2 feet of snow. I've got to figure out a way to go. Look at this. I got to figure out a way to get all the way over there. Get my tractor started. I don't want to shovel a path. There's 3 feet of snow here. Holy shit. I do not want to shovel 3 feet of snow out. We'll get my tractor started, and then just a waste of time. All right, I'll turn you back on, and not the way you want me to, in a couple minutes. Oof. Well, I made it. Woo. Can't even see. Holy crap. Oof. I had to shovel a foot of snow off the top just so I could walk. There's 3 feet of snow out there. Well, this is what I did last night. 13 packages shipped. Well, packed. Can't ship them. I'm not going anywhere today. Whew. I got to get the Kubota started. Hopefully. Even if I had a plow, I don't think I can plow this stuff. We took the backhoe off yesterday, so this thing would fit in the barn. Am I in neutral? I hope. Last time I started this, the safety switch has gone off the seat. Last time I started it, I nearly ran myself over. Oh boy. That was too easy. Let's see what's going to go wrong today. Figure out a way to get out of here by myself. Oops. Well, people be out here into a wave this morning, but not now, not now. It's got to warm up. Woo! Look at that. 3 feet. Wow. All right. Yeah. It's gonna be a fun day. Woo.
And it didn't help.
Of course it didn't.
I've had that picking out yesterday and this morning. I mean, and it's already off, and it didn't even need it. I got the something to do with that electric.
I got to get G in here. Fucking everything's a pain in my ass, I'll tell you. Nothing simple. Andy's furnace keeps going out. Wow, this is a buttload of snow. And I'm not even all the way to the ground. I don't know how long I'm going to be able to do this because I can't do this one-handed. Oh boy. Yeah, it's going to be rough. Shut me down. Ugh, 6% battery left, so I gotta make this quick. Yeah, look at this. 2.5 hours worth of work. 2.5 hours. Oh yeah. Well, started at 9. It's about 2:30, 3 o'clock right now. Look at this. Got the truck uncovered. Look at this. That is completely filled with snow. Oh, look at the roof. But got all this done. Just had to finish up the driveway going out to the street, right? Right? Mm-hmm. Got all that. Path to the mechanics bay. Look at this. Isn't that nice? Kubota's stuck. Dead center of the middle of the driveway. Yep. Uh-huh. I'm so screwed. I have no idea how I'm going to get that out. Other than shovels. Yep, look at this. I didn't even shovel this yet. I'm going in and I wonder how many beers I can have in an hour. I'm done. I quit. I'm not even gonna shovel my walk. Nope. Done. I'm done. But 5 hours on an effing tractor. Yep. Lock myself out. What a day. What a day. Yep. So I quit. Done. So anyway, hope you guys had a better day. I'm going to bed. It's 2:30. I'm going to bed. Yep. Done. Have I told you lately that I hate snow? hate snow. I like it. There's nothing good about it. Hate it. Ugh. At this point, it's probably going to be here for the next month and a half. All right, I'm out. I've depressed everyone. My job is done. See you later.